we're inside Santi's home. We got stuff to decorate, and Mehul is here. Hi Mehul, did you ask for the Wi-Fi password?
No, I can't find any of them. I think they went downstairs. Auntie said she'll be up. She'll be up in a moment, so
That works. Sanchi's home is literally the most baller home ever. Where's the dog?
Excuse me. Okay. Here's purse.
So we have some colored chart paper, some glitter pens,
Some more shit.
and some more of this decorative shit.
That was Santi's
And we have
sister.
Sanchi's sister.
Okay.
Let's start.
Where did the chocolate balls go?
Chocolate balls are here.
I hope Santi likes chocolate because she doesn't be very bad वाली पीटी हो जाएगी हमारी.
We bought stationery worth rupees 250, and we come here and we find out this stuff all here already.
Stationery is my fucking. Oh god.
Okay, so we have donuts, we have chocolate balls, we have a chocolate cock, and
We have letters that say HBD.
we have letters that say HPD. Show the chocolate cock.
No, but पहले है बड़ो.
पेन से खोल ले.
H.
And the D.
Guys, here's the moment of truth. Here's exactly what Santi wants in her life. Santi, if you're seeing this, don't kill me. I love you.
Actually, will obviously see this.
Dun
Here's-
dun dun.
Here's a.
And that's Santi's dog. Santi's dog. Vlog it.
Hi.
Hi, Mojo.
Hi, Mojo. I'm pretty sure we'd end up ruining her room.
But let's not use tape on the walls, okay?
Yes.
Pap the Beatles. Pap some books. Okay.
Put everyone on Hangouts and see what we can do. This is draw my poster. Or not.
Featuring Per Mehul for Sanchi. Okay, chal, कर draw. I'm pabbing you drawing. But you know, it doesn't matter how bad it is. I think Sanchi will still love it. Hopefully, Sanchi is going on the vlog. Don't hate us. I love you. Okay.
That is
H.
not a very symmetrical H.
You what the? Oh, ऐसे लिख रहा है. I thought single में लिख रहा है.
Single में it would be too plain.
Okay, मैं चुप कर.
I don't like it plain. I like it simple.
That was so bad. I have no idea why I'm laughing. Oh my god, that sucks so much. I have the Per.
HPD Sanchi.
SAANCHI. तब भी ना बताना अगर जिसे SACHI लिख दे तो. Well, look at that.
I can't write S. S is too complicated to write like this.
But I don't care. Write it. Now you've written HBD. अब ऐसा मैं लिखूंगा तो अजीब लगेगा. Stationery is my drug. कैसी चूतिया बनती है यार.
S is the most complicated letter ever.
No, it's not, you piece of shit. We're trying so hard. We can't even arch it all. Yeah, we should call Ishan, man.
I tried to call Ishan 2 million times.
Where the fuck is he? That's too long.
That's
Just like my dick in your mouth.
okay. I saved this.
Okay, now
This coming from artist or artist.
baller. From Chadu's lecture.
कैसे यहाँ
I don't know.
You can't even make a straight line. I can try with a gay line.
Oh. What the fuck?
I'm done with this.
He just ruined the R completely. Oh, he did not. I mean, he did,
Good save there. Again.
It looks like those eggs होते हैं ना जिसके बीच में ये ऑमलेट नहीं गिटेड ऑमलेट में येलो नहीं होता
ऑमलेट में येलो नहीं होता
ऑमलेट में येलो नहीं होता ऑमलेट पूरा कंप्लीटली बनता है ये वाला दैट्स दिस इज कॉल्ड हाफ सन फ्राइड एग और समथिंग
सनी साइड अप
या सनी साइड अप
डोंट इवन ईट एग्स आई एम नॉट बेटर देन
suck my dick no the from looks nice man I mean
as compared to the
नहीं
HPD Sanchi
in the vlog it looks very nice on the picture वैसे normally it looks like shit so
how do I rate her to
JJ H double T U Z
or JH 2Z
okay and then your mom won't even realize it's Chatu so
no my mom knows how to read English and numbers how do I rate it J
the line another line curve it wow brilliant perf we'll keep going perf don't ruin it now don't ruin it please don't ruin it yes
this is the best
Look
J
at
I've ever
this.
made
Your H is still creepy as also actually see a guy dying oh god
shit
what happened oh
he
yes
doesn't have a straight line
nice safe perf
it looks like a fucking jeans
दैट उसकी बेस बड़ी अजीब सी हो लाइक और एक पैर पतला एक पैर मोटा
शूज बना दो यहाँ पे
बना दे प्लीज बना दे you should have made better looking shoes man very good that's not good at all actually but okay suck dick guys suck dick well you looks perfect like your mom doesn't look perfect person or Z
I can say use beautiful
Okay, so guys, HBD Sanchi from Jharkhand.
what color
Black, like her soul. Should I do this?
no
Do you know?
what
Should I do this? Do you know? देख सांची मुझे पर्फ करने नहीं दे रहा मैं रेडी था लेकिन
पता है वीडियो मैंने एडिट करना
I thought I heard more. Oh look, guys look, Sanchi has a parrot or a bird of sorts too. Look, hi bird. Oh, he's inside the room apparently.
तो छोटे से कुत्ते के क्या वोकल कॉर्ड्स होंगे इतनी देर होता
और तेरी वोकल कॉर्ड भी अच्छी है.
बट मैं
This shit we stuck at. I have never done art in my whole life. I got half out
I've
of
never done art, I've never done no, I've never done thus.
You know, I got half out of 15 in art exam. Half out of 15. My teacher's like, bro, paper दिया भी किया. Please don't log that, please.
जाएगा तो ये
वही तो तू कुत्ता है ना तू एडिट करता है तो फायदा उठाएगा. And make मिशाल edit this.
मिशाल के पास इतना इंटरनेट भी नहीं है कि ये 10-10 मिनट की वीडियो सेंड कर दे तो सब नीचे
ये बस है.
तो मिशाल को डाउनलोड नहीं करना होगा
तो मिशाल सीख होगा कैसे edit करना.
कैसे
नहीं वो नहीं कह रहा मैं अभी कॉलेज को चीज करने के लिए.
हाँ नहीं
Oh my god. I can't promote it, I'm drawing a stick figure fan.
ओके accurate as fuck.
You're so fast.
Not anymore.
I wrote Buttel Bull
Illiterate fuck.
for my.
That's an
Because this is all you wear.
accurate Sanchi. Cocks don't melt.
But your mom made them to sleep. Is that on recording? Oh, okay. I'm so sorry. Don't post that.
I'll just show it to your mom. And they'll fuck her.
I drew her shoes. God, was such good artist.
This looks more Sanchi than Sanchi herself. Okay, we found Sanchi's laptop and we decided to hack it.
Sanchi. Okay, so what could Sanchi's password be? Okay, I like dick. Oh, that's incorrect. Okay, so maybe she doesn't like dick after all. Okay, I like sex. That's incorrect too. Okay, Mojo. That's a dog's name. That's not good either. Okay, we probably end up locking the laptop forever, so.
Try something related to bullet for my Valentine.
मेरे बारे में गोली मार दो. For my Valentine? From my Valentine.
For my Valentine. That's too long.
It's okay. Bye bye.
Okay, we fail. Bye, that's it. Bye. Okay, so we're writing shit on sticky notes and sticking it up everywhere. Starting from this.
You can't. मैंने गलत से गलत कर लिख दिया, बट ओके. I'm writing on Ravi Mole, love my money, watch you look at what I'm flattered as fuck. I'm writing it.
You stick it up yourself wherever you want.
Stick it on my washroom so she thinks about it when she's showering. Don't put this on the vlog, my girlfriend will.
Let's just ask all the Jhatus to send us their notes and we'll write it up and put it up everywhere. Okay, that's it.
Hi Sanchi. I like the John Lennon melody. Hotter.
Jackie Chan.
Sanchi. And Illy.
Okay, what else?
Don't. Okay, leave it. Don't put this on the wrong reason. Don't.
Okay, wait, I'll just stick it up.
Yeah, go stick it up wherever the fuck you want to, bitch.
I'll just stick it up your ass.
Because that's exactly when.
Sanchi won't see that. That's no
No, she won't. She won't. Not on the walls, okay? Okay. Okay. HBD Sanch. You're writing pretty well, Perth. I'm joking, you suck. It should look like it's terrible because we're terrible.
मैंने pretend कर लिया.
Pretend. आंटी will be like, भाई क्या चूती है मेरे घर में घुसे. How about Sanch? We don't really know what to write, so please pretend this is a nice birthday wish. And
That's
smile.
pretend, by the way.
Yeah, and smile, please. How about again, villain? Chartles.
We have notes on our door saying, Sanchi, you suck, but we still love you. And another one saying that we're not that good at art. We have a poster here saying HBD Sanchi from Jhatus. We have some donuts here with a note that says, here are donuts so you can get fatter. Here's a chocolate cock with 2 chocolate balls and chocolate HBD. Now we have notes from every Jhatu, everywhere. And we have a Mehul. We have notes on her cupboard. We have another wish on a poster kind of thing. We have another note on a cupboard. We have a note on just about everything. We have a Mehul again. We left the stuff we used to make all this with notes as gifts. We left the chart paper as another gift. And that's about it.